Luna and the Talking Moon. Luna was a curious girl who loved the night sky. Every evening she looked up and whispered, "Good night, moon." One night, something strange happened. The moon answered. "Good night, Luna," said a soft, glowing voice. Luna jumped. "Who said that?" "I did," said the moon. "You talk to me every night. I thought it was time I talked back." Luna blinked. "You can talk?" "Yes," said the moon, "but only to special children. Children with big hearts and big dreams." Luna smiled. "That's amazing." The moon beamed brighter. "Would you like to visit me?" "Visit the moon? How?" "Close your eyes," the moon said. "Take a deep breath. Count to 3. Luna did as she was told. 1, 2, 3. Whoosh! She was flying. Past stars, past clouds, past dreams. When Luna opened her eyes, she stood on the soft, silver ground of the moon. The stars twinkled around her like fireflies. A family of moon mice danced near a crater. A glowing bunny floated by sipping tea. "This place is magic." Luna laughed. The moon smiled. "It is, and it's all because of you." Luna played for hours. She jumped from star to star, slid down moonbeams, and learned to speak starlight. But soon, she felt sleepy. She yawned. "I think I should go home now." The moon nodded. "Close your eyes again, little dreamer. And remember, anytime you miss me, just look up." Luna closed her eyes. Whoosh, she was back in her bed, tucked in tight, the moon smiling. Through her window, Luna whispered, "Good night, moon." And the moon whispered back, "Good night, Luna."